Driven by a strong commitment to research and development, ThorWorks Industry stands as a globally recognized manufacturer of innovative, high-performance coating and equipment. Our diverse product lines serve multiple industries, including pavement maintenance, roofing, concrete, sports surfacing, agriculture, equine, and rigid packaging. The ThorWorks family of brands encompasses a diverse portfolio of highly regarded commercial and consumer brands. Sealmaster, renowned as the industry's top brand for pavement maintenance products and equipment, leverages its franchise system to provide extensive support, encompassing more than 125 manufacturing and distribution hubs throughout North America and product distribution extending to over 60 nations. Sealmaster provides a complete array of pavement maintenance solutions, including parking lot, driveway and road sealers, repair materials, traffic paints, and specialized application equipment. Globally recognized as the leading provider of pavement sealers, Sealmaster has produced over 3 billion gallons of sealer. For half a century, Sportmaster has delivered premium acrylic sport surfacing solutions, trusted by professional associations, contractors, and facility owners worldwide. Our comprehensive range of products for tennis, pickleball, running tracks, and multi-use surfaces, including specialized repair and resurfacing options, are distributed nationwide through the Sealmaster franchise system. Crack Pro crack sealing equipment prioritizes both operator safety and efficiency with innovations like low-profile design for enhanced visibility and a counterbalanced applicator wand system to minimize operator fatigue. Crack Pro equipment is available nationwide through the Sealmaster franchise system. For over 70 years, the Gem Seal brand has delivered innovative, high-performance pavement maintenance products, including sealers and complementary solutions that repair, protect, and beautify parking lots, driveways, and roads. Gem Seal products are readily available through the Sealmaster franchise system. ThorWorks stands out in the home improvement industry, offering superior products, award-winning packaging, and exceptional customer service through its SealBest, JetCoat, DuckCoat, and Century Industries brands. This commitment to quality and service makes us a top choice in both the professional and DIY market. ThorWorks Farm Paint Division allows farms, agricultural facilities, and professional contractors to access quality fence and barn paint and specialty coatings directly from the factory, resulting in considerable cost savings. FarmPaint.com has become the industry's premier online destination for top quality barn and fence paints, coatings, dustless arena footings, and more. With 50 years of experience, the Tenda Horse Products division of ThorWorks is committed to developing and manufacturing outstanding products that support the health, soundness, performance, and well-being of horses in the performance industry. The Thor Turf division of ThorWorks continues to pioneer advancements in dustless horse footing technology for equestrian arenas. Our proprietary Dust Lock additive polymer technology creates a durable, high-performance, and virtually dust-free footing solution, leading to improved air quality and a healthier environment for both horses and riders. Leveraging ThorWorks' vertically integrated strategy, Century Container has risen to prominence as a leading manufacturer of HDPE injection molded plastic pails and lids, offering a diverse range of sizes and comprehensive graphic design and printing services. The ThorWorks corporate campus in Sandusky, Ohio, consolidates various operations, including R&D labs, coatings production, equipment fabrication, asphalt cold patch production, warehousing, and logistics. ThorWorks' unwavering commitment to quality and innovation is evident in its 3 fully equipped research and quality assurance laboratories, where over half a century of dedicated R&D has solidified the company's position as an industry technology leader across diverse market segments. Our cutting-edge pavement sealer manufacturing facility leverages advanced mixing technology and automated packaging for efficient production and exceptional quality. Our advanced acrylic mixing and packaging facility enables us to produce a wide range of acrylic products, including sport surfacing coatings, traffic paints, barn and fence paints, white acrylic roof coatings, and more. Advanced technology, including vacuum-assisted stainless steel mixing vessels and planetary mixers, is utilized in our state-of-the-art facility to produce superior quality, moisture-cure silicone white roof coatings. With a daily output and packaging capacity reaching 25,000 bags, ThorWorks Pothole Patch Facility demonstrates industry-leading efficiency and scale. A key operation at the ThorWorks campus is the Equipment Production Center, a manufacturing powerhouse that leverages innovative technologies including laser cutting equipment, robotic welding systems, computer-operated lathe systems, and precision CNC press brakes. This state-of-the-art facility is dedicated to producing the renowned Sealmaster and Crack Pro brands of pavement maintenance equipment, known for their exceptional durability for over 50 years. Located within the ThorWorks campus, our FDA-registered facility houses the manufacturing of Tenda horse care products. Here, precision manufacturing, efficient automated packaging, and rigorous quality assurance are the pillars of Tenda's operation, ensuring top-quality products. ThorTurf dustless horse arena footing is also manufactured and packaged within the ThorWorks manufacturing complex. Millions of pounds of dust-free arena footing are produced each year, supporting the global equine community. ThorWorks operational capabilities, supported by our logistics team and several 100,000 square feet of warehouse space across the ThorWorks campus, effectively address customer requirements for just-in-time delivery. The ThorWorks Jet Coat facility in Columbus, Ohio is a key manufacturing hub for our diverse portfolio of commercial and consumer roof coating brands. The Jet Coat facility houses large-scale manufacturing and packaging capabilities designed to support our national customer base. ThorWorks Century Container brand plastic pails and packaging are manufactured at our facility in New Waterford, Ohio. The Century Container facility features multiple advanced injection molding machines and cutting-edge printing and graphic capabilities. Responding to growth and demand, ThorWorks has added an expansive distribution center in Green Springs, Ohio. Strategically positioned in the Midwest, this facility ensures superior service for our customers across the region. ThorWorks Distribution Center in Columbus, Ohio provides convenient access to Sealmaster pavement maintenance products and services for contractors and municipalities across central and southern Ohio. The future of ThorWorks Industries is rooted in innovation, growth, and a steadfast commitment to customer needs. As markets continue to evolve, ThorWorks is focused on developing new, advanced products that meet the emerging demands of our customers, ensuring performance, sustainability, and value.